Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a remote desktop connection shortcut for a specific PC in Windows. To create, copy the command line from the video description box and paste into the notepad. Okay, now replace your device name with the computer name. Or you can replace your PC IP address. If you don't know how to get computer name and IP address, then I will show you later on. So keep watching without skipping video. Okay, now copy the command line and create a new shortcut. Paste the command line here. Give any name, whatever you want. If you want to create a shortcut with full screen, then you can follow the same process. Even if you want to create by IP address, then you can also do the same process just like I have done. Okay, now double click on the shortcut you created and it will open the remote desktop connection. Type the username and password of the remote desktop. I'm entering mine, you enter yours. After that, click on OK. Now we are successfully entered the remote desktop. Let's see how to get the device name. Right click on the Start button and click on System. And this is my device name of this remote desktop. Now check out the IP address. Right click on the network adapter if it is connected to wire or Wi-Fi, whatever it is, and click on Network and Internet Settings. I am connected with wired connection and click on Properties. This is my local IP address of this remote desktop. This is very helpful if your daily job is managing multiple remote desktops. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.